Now, talking about the baby Dogecoin. What is the baby doing? Oh boy, the volume has dropped right down to 19%. We are now at 46 million, which is still good. This is tradable. When you see a volume like this, it means that it's tradable. It's listed on Binance and all these major exchanges. But for those of you who are traders, again, when you start seeing volume dropping, you want to get out from that project, at least cash out some profit. Same thing with swing traders. You can always take advantage of price action and place your stop loss, take profit, then you wait for pullback, you buy again and do all this good stuff. It's good you understand how to navigate the market. Of course, watching my channel, you are always going to be on top of your game because I am here for you. I'm here to give you the vibe, to give you the juice, whatever it is, juice. Oh boy, guys, let's dive into our analysis. Let's get to the chart of the Dogecoin. I know that's what you guys wanna see. Now, this chart looks the same way. Like this is our analysis, guys. We have been doing this analysis for a long time now. I mean, like consistently. Day before it was launched on Binance, and from the day it was launched on Binance. Okay. Now we are in this range. Baby Dogecoin has gone and formed higher highs. Yeah, on the 4 hours time frame. Now, whenever I see something like this, whenever I see break of structure, the structure was broken here. Of course, it was broken here. Whenever I see break of structure like this, I expect pullback, at least back to that into that range. Did we see pullback? Of course, we saw pullback during the break of structure. We saw this pullback here. Of course, this pullback isn't enough, right? Because after this pullback, we saw another break of structure here. Price started making higher highs from there for Dogecoin, and now price is back in that zone that I mentioned to you guys that if price get into this area and break this minor support, and make it way right down towards the value area low of this volume profile, then we are going to see price recover most of these vectors here. Most of those vectors you can find it on lower time frame, like the 4 hours time frame. But I want us to focus, on the 4 hours time frame because I am more of a swing trader. Like guys, trust me, I haven't buy baby Dogecoin. I have none of this bad boy. The reason why I keep doing analysis on this bad boy is because I want to get a perfect entry. I might never get a perfect entry, but still I'm in profit. Okay, because there are zones that I want to show you guys today that I sold. Now I had to wait for price to break structure again before I get. I'm not an investor of Baby Dogecoin. I'm a trader. I'm swing trading Baby Dogecoin. I love the project because it helps me to make more Bitcoin. I trade Baby Dogecoin as I trade any other coin out there that makes me more Bitcoin. Okay, so looking at this structure, yeah, I'll rightly say to you guys that we might see like one move to the upside, okay, and it's gonna form divergence as what we saw with refinance. But at the same time, also, this bad boy can just keep going up, 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 up. It can happen like that until it get to 10 billion market cap. It can happen, and I might miss on it. Of course, I will never miss on it. Let me explain to you guys why. Let me show you guys a different chart, of a Dogecoin that I think is gonna help you understand where I'm coming from. Now, this chart for the Dogecoin is the chart that I think is the same chart that I'm looking at. Yeah. So look at this, guys. Look at this. This is the daily time frame. Now we have broken all of this structure here, and we are heading towards the all-time high of a Dogecoin. I think so, right? Because now I'm looking at this let's see. I think let me just get the contract. Let me get the contract and go straight away to Dex Screener to see if I can get let's see if I can get a proper chart of Baby Dogecoin. Let's see. Dex Screener. Maybe I'm gonna get the real charts. I'm gonna paste the contract there to give me the. So I want to see it from the day it was launched, and yeah, Pancake Swap. So let's see what we got here for this bad boy. Okay. I'm gonna go to the weekly time frame. This was the all-time high when it was launched. So let's do this. Okay, well, you see, when it was launched, look at this pump here. It was launched 31st of May 2021, and it pumped whoop. And ever since we haven't seen it come. Like, wow, it's great. Look at this bad boy. Like, these guys have been holding here. Look at my previous analysis here. And same thing here again. Now, looking at where we are now, guys, is very crucial for Dogecoin. Let's stay on this chart because I think this chart is more cool. Let's stay on this chart to see what we got here. So looking at this range now, guys, for Baby Dogecoin, I'm looking at this now on the weekly time frame. I'm gonna go to the daily time frame. Okay, so where we are right now, we are heading towards this previous high, this high here. And each time Baby Dogecoin get to like closer to the previous high, we always see price, pull back. Like for example, what happened here? Price went towards this area, yeah, and we saw pullback. Price went there and we saw pullback. So on the weekly time frame, we cannot say that Baby Dogecoin has broken structure because if we look at this, if we have a trend line here, you're gonna see that it's in a downtrend, down, 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 down until we see price break structure. You see, we are still in a downtrend, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high, lower high for Baby Dogecoin. So looking at this, I would say that we might see some sort of pullback, no doubt, and this pullback might come like in from this range. So price might do something like this for Baby Dogecoin. You can do something like this, then come back here before you can buy, or even come right down here. So I think we're gonna see pullback. No doubt, we are gonna see pullback. It's not healthy. The chart is not healthy, but at the same time, as I mentioned, we can see this coin pump like 10x like that. It can happen. But when am I gonna get in? That's what I want you guys to know. Because I'm not gonna just sit here and allow you guys enjoy all of the profit. Now, I traded this coin here, on Binance, but it was somehow little money, and I got out here. But I'm not still in Baby Dogecoin. Okay, I didn't follow this pump here. I bought at this pullback here, sold when price got to that area. But now, when am I gonna enter again Baby Dogecoin? So this is a big decision I have to make. And this decision is easy. Why is it easy? Because I'm gonna get in when price retrace back towards this area. Price has made higher highs. You can see it has broken structure. So what I should do is wait for pullback. And where am I waiting for this pullback? Where this area where I'm looking at these vectors here. These vectors, I believe that at one point they are gonna come to recover this vector. But at the same time, okay, short term, if price is gonna stay in this range, if I pull down to the 4 hours time frame, if price keep doing this, I mentioned to you guys that if price keep doing this, like going sideways, let's even go more downward to the 1 hour time frame. So if price keep doing this, moving in this range, rejecting this zone multiple times, then I'm gonna confirm we are gonna be pumping. And this is gonna be in confluence to what this bad boy will do, Bitcoin. And as of now, Bitcoin has gone to where the alpha trend created a sell signal. So those of you who are like happy that Bitcoin has gone to $65,000, don't be. You have to apply the way we trade or the way I teach you guys on how I trade these coins. Now, whenever you see a move like this, a downward move like this, and pullback, and the pullback went right towards this area where the alpha trend printed a sell signal, we are going to expect pullback for Bitcoin. And when we expect pullback for Bitcoin, the pullback at least shouldn't go like below this structure here that it was broken. It break the structure here. So the pullback shouldn't come like right below. No, the pullback should stay at least recover half of this vector here, half of this vector. So that's what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. But at the same time, I want to see Bitcoin, break structure. Yeah, this is a good example. Break it here and come back. And if Bitcoin do this, guys, trust me, Baby Dogecoin is gonna fly from here. I'm gonna buy Baby Dogecoin. This is a coin that I know majority of you who follow my channel, you are investing in. Okay, and I want you to make as much profit as you can. Yeah, as much profit as you can. That's my goal here. I want you to make huge gains. Look at price action and enjoy the gains, because this is how we make money. When we trade, we invest, we make money. Trading is just to make money, like weekly passive income, but investing is how you make the real gains. Okay, so if you are a die-hard fan for Baby Dogecoin, note that you are going to make money, no doubt, long term. If you are going to buy this project, hold it. Why? Because these guys, I believe they are going to, at one point come with their own blockchain, like what Shiba Inu did. And also, I believe that they are going to keep building more utilities. They might even go into, yeah, I wanted to say they might even go into the gaming sector. They are already in the gaming sector, the Baby Doge Pow, right? They are, rolling out Baby Doge Coin wallet, and they have the Baby Doge Coin swap. So when you see a project keep building utilities around their project, it means that they want to be relevant long term. It's not only about the narrative, the meme coin narrative. They want to be here for a long time. So I want you guys to, like those of you who are investors, this is how you invest. If say you want to take advantage of the market, let's say, for example, like my viewers, I consider my viewers as people who have little or no money, right? They have little to invest in. So let's say, for example, you have $1,000 or $500 that you want to invest in, and you have seen Baby Dogecoin as a very good coin that you want to buy. Now, you don't just buy with like everything you got. No, you can start buying with $100, but make sure you keep at least 60% of that money in Bitcoin. Okay, so you can buy with $100 and you buy spot to trade with the same $100. So you have investment for Baby Dogecoin that is $100, and you have spot trading that you are trading Baby Dogecoin spot with $100, and you have $300 in Bitcoin or Ethereum. Okay, now why should you have your money in Bitcoin? Let's say the market is dumping and your money is in Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is dumping also. Like, you like, okay, now my money is dumping. No, don't look at it more on the US dollars value. Look at it more on the amount of Bitcoin you are accumulating every time you sell Baby Dogecoin into Bitcoin. And whenever Bitcoin is dumping, let's say Bitcoin did not dump 10%, most of those altcoins out there are going to dump even more. That's when you get in. So you're going to sacrifice 5% or 10% for a Bitcoin drop and buy a coin which have dropped 30%. So you have 20% upside to make for that Bitcoin, for Bitcoin. Right. So you keep doing this because in the end, whether you are an investor of a Dogecoin or a trader, the way you keep that money is when you buy Bitcoin. It's only when you buy Bitcoin, because if the market is gonna dip, you don't want to be in US dollar. US dollar inflation is 20% like every year. So you want to be in a currency that long term, you have a plan that for the next 5 years, you're gonna keep building your investment until it get to a certain amount. Let's say $10,000, $100,000 in your trading and investment account, and you know that from this amount of money you can make passive income from it. Like, you can start making $10,000 every month, and this could be a good money for you to make like every month. So I had to stress, guys, I'm not just here to say bye, do the I'm here to educate you guys. We must make it in this game. Like, when I say make it, I means that we have to be among those who are multi-millionaire in this industry. I'm not a multi-millionaire, but I want to be even a billionaire from my investment and my trading. I'm gonna keep building, and we still have time. So every day we have to make sure we are able to make Bitcoin. So this is something important, and if this has clicked in your brain, then you have learned the most important lesson in this industry. That's like, one of the reasons why most people lose money here, because they ignore Bitcoin. They fall in love with a project which is just a project, okay? But they don't understand that these are currencies just like fiat, and fiat currency. We have strong and weak currency. Investors or billionaires have their money always in the strong currency, or they trade, with in strong currency. They don't go and keep their money in naira, in pesos, or in ram, or in CFA. They keep their money in like in a more superior currency. That's how they go about it. So if you understand this, then I believe you are gonna be successful long term. I love to explain to you guys stuff so that you guys understand where we are and why we do what we do, not just because we want to make money or we want to, like, you don't understand the game. So again, we're looking at, if say Baby Dogecoin keep doing this, I think we're gonna see a problem. Why? Because of this vector here. So price have recovered this half of this vector candle here. So I think we're gonna see the next move to the upside soon, and price might go and form higher high. Price can keep going up. Okay, so I think I should look for a short term buy. Yeah, then maybe cash out profit around this area. So it's gonna be a short trade for Baby Dogecoin. Now that's that for Baby Dogecoin.